Hey friends, this is Rushikesh Swami. Welcome to this video. Actually, I am studying in first year engineering of computer science branch in KJ Trinity Academy of Engineering Pune under Savitribai Phule Pune University. Today, the main purpose of making video is to share my first year engineering project, which is a website which helps to find a plasma donor and oxygen cylinder availability in nearby area across India. So first I will tell what solution did I got, then we will jump to the website project demo. So here we go. So, current pandemic situation, there are lot of shortage of oxygen and plasma donors for COVID patient, and for this common people does not have access of any platform where they can see plasma donors and oxygen cylinder available nearby their area, where NGOs charities will provide such type of oxygen cylinders and donators. So we have created a platform, a website where a common man can appear for his need and check it out availability of oxygen cylinder as well as plasma donor in his nearby area. So I am going to show you a demo where I will show you how our website working and how we connected all common people of India who needed in this situation at one platform. There are two parts where plasma donation and oxygen donation form button are situated on main web page. After these, there are four screens are there, where two screens for plasma donor and oxygen donor available respectively, and two screens for whose booking completed, their name appear on remaining two screens. After there are two separate buttons for Telegram channel of vaccination slot of particular cities for above 45 and under 45 age. In our website, there are three options at top head of website. First, on top left side, there is helpline numbers button. Second, on top right side, there are suggestion box button. And third is on top medium, there is a website help button. Let's jump into the main website working demo. First, helpline number. The helpline number button is situated at top left corner of a website. After clicking on that, you will see all the helpline numbers of individual state in India. Then on top right corner of website, you will see the suggestion box button. In suggestion box, you can fill the feedback of website or complaint or issue regarding website. Website help button is situated at top medium of the website. After clicking on website help button, you will see the instruction for registration and booking, how to book a donor and how to fill the plasma donation or oxygen donation form, etc. How to fill plasma donation form. Let's see the demo. After clicking on plasma donation form button, you will get redirected to the form. This plasma donation form, you have to fill up some basic information like full name, address, gender, city, pin code, mobile number, and specially 6-digit unique code which appearing on form. So I will show you a demo how to fill the form. After completion of fill up the form, you can reset your plasma donation form by clicking reset button or submit the form. After submission, you will get pop-up notification which says thanks for contacting us. We will contact you soon. So you have to click on OK and get back to the main website page. So after refreshing the main website, you will see the plasma donor who filled the form, his state, city, 6-digit code and email ID appearing on main website. Now I am going to show you how to fill oxygen cylinder donation form. After clicking on oxygen cylinder donation button, you will get redirected to the oxygen cylinder form web page where you can see the form asking basic information about donor, full name, state, city, pin code, address, email ID and oxygen cylinder available and main 6-digit code. So I will show you a form filling demo. So I have filled the basic information. Now you can reset the form or submit the form. After submission, you will get pop-up notification which says thanks for contacting us. We will contact you soon. So you have to click on OK and get back to the main website page. After refreshing the main website, you will see the oxygen cylinder donor state name, city name, 6-digit code and email ID appearing on main website. Now I will show you how to join Telegram groups for under 45 and above 45 age respectively for vaccination slots in nearby area. After clicking on vaccination slots for 18 to 44 age group, you will get diverted to under 45.in. So there is a Telegram alerts for every state and every district, so you can choose accordingly and join the Telegram group for notification of vaccination slots in nearby area. For above 45 age, the process for joining the Telegram group for above 45 age is as same as under 45 age joining process. You have to click on the state, city and after join the Telegram group for notification of vaccination slot in your nearby area. Now I am going to show you how to book oxygen cylinder after seeing donor is available in our area. So here we go. First of all, after seeing the donor is available in our nearby area, we have to copy the code first. Then click on the book oxygen cylinder button. Then you will get diverted to the oxygen cylinder booking form where you have to fill some basic details for booking like full name of needy, state of donor, from website, types donors, unique 6-digit code, etc. After submission of booking form, you will see a message, your request has been processed. Check your email for donor contact link. Then you have to go back to main website. After refreshing the main website, you will see the recent booking status where the oxygen cylinder donor of 6-digit code of 244036 is now confirmed at 10:15 p.m. Now I am going to show you how to book plasma donor when you see he or she is available in your nearby area. So first you have to copy the 6-digit code from main website. Then you have to click on plasma booking here button. After clicking on plasma booking here button, you will divert it to plasma booking form where you will get asked to fill some basic details for booking like your email, full name, state, city and main 6-digit code. After completion of form, click on submit button. Then you will get a notification like your request has been processed. Check your email for donor contact link. Then you have to go back on main website. You will see the recent booking of plasma donor of 6-digit code 841261 is booked at 10:18 p.m. from Maharashtra and city Mumbai. Now let's check the email for donor's contact link. So you have to open the Gmail which you mentioned plasma or oxygen cylinder booking form. You will see the mail from KJA Trinity Students NGO. After clicking on mail, you will see the message like Dear Rushikesh Swami, your mentioned state Karnataka and city Bengaluru of code 244036 is confirmed at 2 August 2021 at 10:15 p.m. and contact link is below the message. After clicking on contact link, you will get diverted to the Google Sheet where the contact information of oxygen donor is available on Google Sheets. You can call and get help. Thank you. After opening the email, you will see the message Dear Rushikesh Swami, your mentioned state Maharashtra and city is Mumbai of code 841261 is confirmed at 2 August 2021 at 10:18 p.m. Below the message, there is a contact link of donor. After clicking on that link, you will get diverted to the Google Sheet where contact of donor is mentioned. Then you can contact him for help. Thank you. So I hope you would like this project. If you like this project, you can share with this your friends. The project website link as well as the project source code link is mentioned in the description, so you can check it out. So thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.